Hello. This In this video, I'll talk about the zero product property. And the goal from these videos, of course, is to make it simple, but also show you the fundamental ideas that sometimes are skipped. So for the zero product property, which comes useful in many places, the first thing you want to know is what is the origin of it. So let's talk about the multiplicative. Let's fix this. The multiplicative property of zero. So what does it mean? So for each, let's say, real number, um, let's say n, right? If you have n times zero, that's same as zero times n, that's same as zero, right? So this is kind of where the idea comes for um, this zero product property. If you have n times m, two numbers equal zero, well, what are the possible conclusions? What are the possible conclusions about n and m? So this is kind of what you want to ask. Of course, when you think about it, you're going to say, well, if n is zero, that could lead to this product to be zero because m can be, let's say, 5, for example. It doesn't matter, right? Because that's the multiplicative property of zero there. So you see, so it doesn't matter. If m is zero, then this product again is zero. So let's say a 6 or negative 6, for example. It doesn't matter. So here the conclusion is n equals 0 or m equals 0. So that's kind of the idea that we use. And this comes handy in many applications, but the common one that most of people see is solving equations. But of course, that can go beyond to matrices and other places in math. But let's talk about the equations. The basic one that we usually see is if you have a quadratic equation and you factor it and you get something like this, then you'll say, well, because of the zero product property, this is n and this is m, right? Then x plus 2 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. And that gives you that x equal negative 2 or x equal 5. And of course, you can check these by if you're using negative 2 plus 2, that's 0. Then negative 2 minus 5 doesn't matter. It's not 0, but the product is 0. So that's going to give you a 2 numbers here. Potential solutions. Of course, for this one, they're solutions, but if you have a logarithmic equation, something you want to check in order to make sure that they are actually solutions. All right, thank you.